Hello everyone, good morning. This is Yashpal Sharma from DURGA Institute of Computer Education at Firozpur. Now today we will discuss a sorting technique is bubble sort. Then there is so many techniques are available in programming like bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, radix sort, merge sort. Basically, what do you mean by sorting? Sorting to arrange your data in specific order, either descending or ascending. Okay, then why java.util package should be must, because if you want to enter the number of values. Now next one is class is bubble. You know very well, first of all you have to create your own class. Then
been created, then after that you can call the member function void display. Whenever you call this function, then program has been executed. Now first of all enter the number of elements. Let's suppose 5. The element is, let's suppose 80, 60, 70, and now last one is your 10. Now you can see the output 10, 50, 60, 70 and 80. The data has been arranged in ascending order. So that's why this is the main purpose of this bubble sorting technique is to arrange your data in specific order like ascending or descending. Okay.